Hi, my name is Steven. This is Toyota Corolla 2013. So today I want to show you how to restart your engine maintenance light. So this is the maintenance light. So I will show you how to turn it off after you do your servicing. So you are going to use this button. So you need to press the trip button to like this. You need to set it to trip A like this. Then you turn off the ignition. Then you press the trip button like this. Then you make sure you will be pressing it like this. Sure you press it like this. Then you open the ignition. So now I will open the ignition and you see the light will be flashing. See, now the ignition is on. Now the light is flashing. So now as you can see, it's turned off. And you turn off the ignition again and you can start. So as you can see now, the engine maintenance light is reset. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.